So I've discussed adding light with a reflector. Now we're going to add it with flash. I have to start with this story. A while back, Shirley and I were at a park, and being a park means that there are photographers there. Anyway, this photographer and this high school senior were there for about 15 or 20 minutes in that spot, taking photo after photo, and never was there a flash. So the problem here is that it's a silhouette unless you grossly overexpose the sunset. Now, if she was getting silhouettes, that's good for one or two photographs, but it's not likely that that's what she was going for. My guess is she was going for something where you could see the person, in which case, as I said, the sunset is all blown out. Now you can do some Photoshop and try to recover some of that, but it's really not going to work out very well. The best way is to just use a flash unit. It's not that hard. Just one flash gives you this. And on this one I used 2 flashes. But again, the whole point is you have to add light to the person in that kind of situation. We'll start this section on flash with about the easiest way to do it, and that's just to slap a flash right on top of the camera. It's not the most creative way to light someone, but in some cases it's just fine. So I took this volunteer senior-aged girl out and photographed her in places that I normally would not, but knowing that the light was very flat and wrong. Here's the first example with no help. And because the light was so flat and her eyes were so dark, let's just see what it looks like if we lighten her up. Well, as you can see, this is not acceptable. But unfortunately, this is what we see a lot in today's photographer's work. But just a single flash on top of the camera in TTL or automatic exposure mode gave us this. Now, it's not great, but it's better than the other 2 images. It was so simple. Just point and shoot. Here's a case where on-camera flash was the easiest and best solution. Because we were pretty far away from anything and I didn't want to haul any heavy lighting gear, I just put the flash on camera.